Today I'm going to be trying out this box of 36 mixed twin markers by Decotime. So these were £12 from B&M Bargains, and they come with a stackable storage deco tray. So if you already have some Decotime markers, this should just clip onto your tray that you already have. So inside here there's 12 alcohol twin markers, 12 glitter twin markers and 12 metallic twin markers. So each end has a brush tip and a fine tip, and I haven't tried the glitter or the metallic ones before, so we'll see how those turn out. On the back of the packet it also says to store them horizontally, that is the advice, so that the ink doesn't all just run to one end of the pen and then the other end will end up with a dry nib. So let's have a little look inside. These are the pens. I'll just slide out the tray. This is the Deco Tray. It has the little bumps on top and the little holes on the bottom, so I just grab my one of my other deco trays. See, it will just clip on top like that. The little bumps just fit in. It's not like super sturdy if you're going to be moving them around, but it is secure enough to keep them in a stack on your desk, and a good way of storing them horizontally. So these are all the colours. Let's take this one out. This is one of the metallic ones. Brush tip at that end, fine tip at this end, and they are the new shape, the triangular barrels, so they're a little bit easier to hold. These are the glitter ones, so these have like a little bit of glitter in the lids, and the lids are coloured with the numbers on, so you know which colour you're getting. And then these are the twin markers. Now what I have noticed about this set is these are a lot smaller and thinner in the size of the pen compared to the usual ones. So for example, let's just pull out, this is one of my other twin markers from my other sets. So that is an awful lot thinner and smaller, but they still have a brush tip and fine tip, but obviously being a smaller, thinner pen probably has less ink in it. So there are some colours in this set that I don't have in my other sets, so that's why I bought this as well, and also to try out the glitter ones and the metallic ones, so I will be doing that now. So there are all the colours. I have tested the alcohol markers on the white paper and the glitter markers and the metallic markers. So the glitter ones are glittery and shimmery, and the metallic ones also have a sheen to them, a metallic sheen. It's worth checking your pens first. I think because they're new and haven't been used, the glitter collects at the very end of the tip, so that's why it looks a little bit darker just here where I first put the pen down. I don't think that they are alcohol ink. I'm not sure if they are or not. because Decotime doesn't have a really strong alcohol smell to them either, so if you're quite sensitive to alcohol markers with a strong smell, I find that Decotime doesn't have a strong smell. So I'm not sure if these are alcohol based or water based. It doesn't say either way on the packet that I can see. And some of these metallic ones were really wet, probably because they're new, and I have stored them horizontally for a day before I used them, but if they were stored the other way in the shop, or maybe they're just really full of ink, but that one and that one were really wet, so maybe try them out on a piece of paper first before you put them on the page you want to draw with. Let's just take a look at the back. So the back of the page, the alcohol markers went through a little bit, that's why we put some sheets behind to save the next page. And then these haven't gone through, so maybe they are not alcohol based. That might be an indication of that. So they were okay, even though they were really wet as well, the metallic ones, they haven't actually gone through the page. So then I tried the metallic and the glitter on some black paper, and the metallic one showed up really well. I used the fine nibs. The black and the dark grey not so much, but that's probably to be expected on black paper. But all the rest of the colours really showed up really well on the black, so probably nice for doing crafts on dark colours, adding little details to things. The glitter ones on the black paper didn't show up very well at all. The glitter did, but the actual ink colour doesn't show up. So if you just wanted to add some glitter to some black paper or some dark crafting that you're doing, but the colour of the ink actually doesn't show up. Also, the other thing I noticed, as I said before, because they're thinner pens, if I get one of the other Decotime markers that's bigger, they don't fit in this Deco Tray. So just these thinner ones fit in this tray, but your Deco Tray will fit on all your other Deco Trays. So thank you for watching. I hope that's helped anyone who was thinking of buying this set. It's a nice little set to start out with. There's plenty colours in it, and for £12 to get 36 different types of markers is not a bad price, I don't think. So plenty of colours in there to get you started and get your crafting going. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.